welcome back to this week's video where I'll be showing you step by step how to make oxtail with butter beans. These are the ingredients that I'm going to be using to season my oxtail. You have your thyme, your scallion, your onion, your pimento, garlic, your Mrs. Dash all-purpose seasoning, regular Grace all-purpose seasoning, most importantly your Caribbean traditional oxtail seasoning, some salt, and the last ingredient would be, or the last additive would be your butter beans. So let me just give you a closer look at the oxtail seasoning. So yeah guys, let's get started. Hey guys, so with all the ingredients that I just showed you, this is the final look after seasoning the oxtail. Your oxtail, the next thing is to heat your pot and then add your oxtail to your heated pot. Okay, just cover and let it come to a boil. Okay guys, it's about 7 minutes since our oxtail has been cooking. So now we're gonna go ahead and add our browning. So we're just adding the browning just to get the color. You can make it as dark as you want. Not too dark because it will get bitter. The browning would make it bitter. So you're just gonna allow this to cook some more, probably for another 10 minutes, and then as you go along you add the color, because you have to let it cook first to see what color it has, and if you want it darker you can add a little bit more browning, but just not too much. Okay guys, it's about 20 minutes since we've added our browning. Go ahead and add a little bit of water to this, but we're gonna add hot boiling water, which we're gonna boil on the side and then add to the oxtail. Okay, so our water is now boiling, so we're gonna go ahead and add that to our oxtail. Okay guys, it's been about 15 minutes and we're gonna check how soft our oxtail is. It's not that soft, so because the water that we just added dried out, we're gonna add another like 2 cups of hot water to the oxtail. And then we're gonna allow that to cook again and soften some more. Okay guys, it's been about 20 minutes, 25 minutes. Our oxtail is definitely softer than it was before. And you can see that the water has dried down. Okay, so the next step is going to be adding our butter beans, but we're going to drain the water off of the beans before we add it to our oxtail. guys, our oxtail is cooked. It's very soft. Our beans are also cooked, and we have just the right amount of gravy. That's what you want to see. Okay guys, there you have it. This is oxtail with baked beans, rice and peas, and a side of vegetables. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next week in our next video.